I'm having such a hard time steering.
I know, this is hard to steer.
Why are there little dragons flying everywhere?
I don't know, but I don't like them.
Crash! You're in my world now! Into the corner!
Denied.
Oh, I like the cow with the dog on it. Coming back for you.
Pulling you away.
You can run, but you can't hide.
I'm running. I'm hiding.
Going to get you. Yes,
Yeah, she can play bumper pool with us.
Yes, I'm coming for you.
Bumper pool.
No!
Alright.
We're in tubes. Yeah?
Yes, I see you.
Are you a shark now?
How do I float?
You don't float. I don't think there's water physics in this game.
That's crap.
Lads,
Yeah, lad?
I'm going to SeaWorld.
Okay, have fun in SeaWorld.
Okay.
Oh, I
There better
found
be
a
water
boat.
physics in- Ah!
Oh,
I'm stuck.
Oh, Zemo, you gotta get over here.
Oh
Zemo, get in the boat.
What boat?
The one I'm in.
no! I'm riding a dolphin.
How do we make the boat go?
Um,
Oh, here we go.
This is horrible.
We look good. Paddle faster.
Jasper and Peridot steal a boat.
Happens if we go into the little water pooly area.
Water pooly area.
Listen, don't worry about it.
We're getting exercise, thank you.
I can feel my calves beefing up. Yeah!
I don't even know if I'm like doing anything to control this.
Fell in the ocean.
Good.
Hinata is missing out.
Lads.
We're in a boat. What are you doing? We're having fun.
You go backwards in the boat? Yeah, you can back up.
Why are we backing up?
Cause I feel like it. This is beautiful, lads.
I don't even know how to control this thing. I don't think I get to.
I do. Cause it's my
Okay,
boat.
lads, give me a minute. I gotta explore this.
Giesta and Peridot on a boat ride, listening to the iCarly theme.
I think we're doing good.
We're having a great time. It's our time to be. Do they have other kinds of boats?
I'm having so much fun.
It's too slow for me. I need like a jet ski. Found a tube.
Are you trying to park?
Let's bring her in, lads.
I can't even control this.
You're just along for the ride.
I am. Oh, I got tubes.
I want to get on a tube.
You can have that too.
Tube. This is way better.
What? No.
This is so lovely.
I'm having such a good time.
If I climbed in a fountain in real life, I'd get shot.
That happened to Jasper too.
Just being honest. You're going so fast!
Oh, I went through the dock.